All right, so let's start. So good afternoon, students, and welcome to our math class, okay? So last time, we talked about numbers 1 to 10. So today, we will continue the lesson from numbers 0 to 20. But before that, let's have a review of our last week topic, okay? So let me send you, or let me share this to you. Just give me 1 second. Everybody turn off your microphone. Okay, so class, let's try to review the topic last week. So we have different pictures here with different numbers, okay? Does anyone tell me how many cats are there? Does anyone tell me how many cats are there? So there are 2 cats, 1 egg, 3 dogs, 4 cars, 5 stars, 6 bees, 7 clouds, 8 balloons, 9 ladybugs, and 10 petals of flowers. Okay, now everybody turn your book or your textbook page number 4. Okay, so let's start. Everybody turn off your mic. Yes, page number 4. This one.
หน้าที่4ใช่ไหม
หน้าที่ 4 ลูกพี่เปิดหน้าที่ 4 นะคะ
มีแมงมุมกับงูหนูผ่านไปแล้วเมื่อกี้นี้
Okay, everybody listen. So there are 2 animals here. We have spider and we have snake, okay? My question is, how many legs do these animals have? So let's start with the spider. Who would like to tell me how many legs does the spider has? How many legs? Does anyone know? Raise your hand. Okay, Apo. How many legs does the spider has? Apo. How many legs does the spider has? How many legs? Can you tell me?
8
8, very good. So the spider has 8 legs. Okay, good job. All right, this one. What about the snake? What about the snake? How many legs does the snake has?
เหมือนมันค้างๆมาเนี่ย
What about look time? How many snake does the snake, or how many legs does the snake has? Look time, how many? Look at the picture. 0, very good. So class, there are 0 or there is no legs, okay, for snake. Again, for spiders, there are 8 legs, and for snake, no legs. All right. Now let's proceed to the next page. So we have number 0 here. Can you trace the word 0, which is Z-E-R-N-O? Okay, by using your pencil, trace this word 0, Z-E-R-O. Trace this one. Trace the word 0. Okay, for number 2 class, let's count and then write the numbers or write the numerals. So
ค่ะ
first,
ทีเชอร์ค่ะ
first picture, how many fishes are there? So write the number, how many fishes? Teacher Chip, can you hear me? How many fishes are there? Let's try 10 more. How many fishes are there? First box, how many? 3, very good. So you write number 3. All right, very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. What about Saimai? What about Saimai? Saimai, how many fishes are there on the second box? 2, very good. So you write number 2. And then what about for the third aquarium or third box? How many fishes are there? Mac, how many fishes are there? 0, very good. So you write the number 0. Okay, so again, on the first box, there are 3 fishes. And then on the second box, there are 2 fishes. And then on the third box or third aquarium, 0 fish. So here, there are blank fish left in the bowl. So what is the answer here on the space provided? So we have 3, 2, and 0. How many fishes are left in the third aquarium? Here, how many fishes left in the bowl? Third bowl, okay? The third bowl. How many? Mickey, how many fishes left in the bowl? The third bowl.
I.
The third.
The third.
Yeah,
See,
this
no,
is
need
the,
the third.
0.
very good, 0. So you write the number 0. So there are 0 fish left in the bowl. Okay. All right, good job. Now let's proceed to page number 6. Page number 6. Oh no, not number 6, but page, oh yeah, number 6, I'm sorry. Okay, so now let's learn number from 0 to 20. Okay, so we have different pictures on page number 6. So let's count how many objects are there. So the first one, there is a question. How many clowns are there? So for us to be able to know the number of the clowns, we have to make a 10. First, we have to make 10, okay? This one, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this one is 10 plus additional 1. That's gonna be how much? How many? Papang, how many clowns are there? Papang, how many clowns are there?
11.
This one is 11. Okay, now let's proceed to the next object. How many cars are there? So again, remember, we have to make 10 first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 cars. There's additional 2 cars. How many cars are there? Ơi. Ơi, how many cars are there? Ơi, can you tell me how many cars are there? Ơi, how many cars are there? Turn on your microphone. How many cars are there?
Hello.
No. 10 and 2. There, yes, very good. So there are 12 cars. Okay, next object. So we have fishes over here. How many fishes are there? So first is we have to make a 10 fishes first. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And there's additional 3 fishes. How many fishes are there? Nudi. Nudi, how many fishes are there? Turn on your microphone. 13. No, 10 and then there's additional 3. How many?
13.
13. Okay, very good. All right, now let's proceed to the next page. Page number 7. Okay, so we have apples. How many apples are there? Let's count the 10 first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 plus 4. How many apples are there? Let's try June. June, how many apples are there? Okay, 1 second, class. Hold on. Okay, June, how many apples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14.
14, very good. Very good.
14.
All right, so there are 14 apples. Okay, now next. How many
Apples.
yo-yos are there? How many yo-yos are there? Patty. Patty, how many yo-yos are there? Patty, can you tell me how many yo-yos are there? This one. So there are 10 and then 5.
1.
How many yo-yos are there? So we have 10 and then 5.
15.
15 yo-yos.
15.
Good. Okay. Next, we have a baseball. All right. How many baseball do we have? How many baseball do we have? Let's try.
1, 2, 3.
How many baseball do we have? We have 10 and then additional 6. So 10 and 6, that's, okay, let me call Prem. Prem, how many balls do you see? This one. 10 and 6. How many balls are there? Prem?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16. Very good. Okay, next. How many teddy bears are there? So we have 10 here and additional 7. Okay, who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Oh, I see Tangmo. How many teddy bears are there?
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17.
Very good. So there are 17 teddy bears. Very good. All right, next. How many Legos are there? Who wants to answer? Show me your hand. If you want to answer, just show your hand, okay? Who wants to answer? How many Legos are there? Raise your hand. Show me your hand. Apo? Okay, Apo is raising his hand. How many Legos are there?
มีเท่าไหร่ how many Lego มีเท่าไหร่
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16.
16, 17, 18.
Very good. So there are 18 Legos. Good job, Apo. Next, how many bananas are there? Who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Show me your hand. Okay, Saimai. Saimai, how many bananas are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 9,
15, 16,
16, 17, 18, 19.
Very good. So there are 18 bananas. All right. Next, how many cherries are there? Oh, Dada, you're raising your hand. Dada, can you tell me how many cherries are there? Dada, can you count how many cherries? Dada, how many cherries are there? Oh, I think Dada is not hearing me. BK. BK, how many cherries are there? BK, turn on your microphone. Okay, PK, how many cherries? Cherries.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, very good. So there are 20 cherries. Good job. Okay, now, everybody, let's count this one, okay? Everybody say 11. 11. This one. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. Okay. All right, class, here, turn your book on page number 8. Here, number 8. Oh no, yeah, page number 8, this one. Okay, write the correct number. How many are there? How many airplanes and how many candies? So write your answer on the box. So write your answer here. Okay, for letter A, how many planes?
14
ภาษาอังกฤษ So there are how many planes? 14. So you're right, number 14. So there are 14 airplanes. Good job. Letter B. Letter B. How many candies? How many candies are there? Who wants to answer?
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, ก็มันจะห้าเนาะ
How many candies?
ไปเนี่ยนับดิ
ก็ต้องมีวิธี
Raise your hands. Who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? How many candies are there?
10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
หมายว่า
20
Asa,
เขาเป็นแบบ
English class.
20
Say in English.
1,
Okay.
2,
20.
3,
Class, don't say in Thai na. Say in English.
20.
Okay, so there are 20 candies. Okay. Now let's try to write this words in numerals. Oh no, let's try to write the words, okay, for the following numerals. Letter A, 12. How do you write 12? How do you write number 12?
ภาษาอังกฤษเอาเว้นตี
20. But this one, how do you write number 12? Number 12 is 1 and 2. Okay, there is a 1 and 2. That's 12.
มาเขียนภาษาอังกฤษ
Okay, write the numerals. And letter B, 18. How do you write number 18?
ทเวลแปลว่า12เขียนเลข10
How do you write 18?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
วันอะไรวันแอนอะไร
How do you write 18?
18.
How do you write 18?
1 and 8.
Very good. 1 and 8. Good job. Okay, letter
18.
อันนั้นอะไร
letter C.
20.
How do you write 20?
มีตัวอะไรบ้าง
20.
2 and 0. So that's 20. Okay. Now, number 3. Let's try to write this numeral.
13เนี่ย
Okay.
ให้เขียนเป็นตัวหนึ่ง
13. How do you write 13? How do you write in words?
ได้
T starts with letter T.
เขียนเป็นตัวหนังสือ
T.
ยังงงไหม
What's the next letter?
มี
This
ตัว
one.
อะไรบ้าง
T H I R T
T H I
ให้ที่
R
ได้ในหมู่
T double E N. Very good. That's T H I R T double E N. That's 13. Good job.
เขียน
Okay, let's try letter B. Letter B. How do you write 17 in words? Letter B. How do you spell 17?
เขียนที่เสร็จก่อน
เว้น e
How do you spell 17?
เอล17นิดหน่อย
Can you spell 17 for me, please?
ดาว
ดี
ตัวอะไรบ้าง S E
S E
e
S พูดให้คุณครูฟัง
S E
S เขียนแบบ
E
V
S
E
E V
Okay, so that's
E.
S E
N
V E N T E N.
T E T
Okay.
W E N T.
All right. What about letter C?
E
How do you
N
spell 15?
N
Let's
มัน S แล้ว
try.
เนี่ย แม่บอกว่าหางนิดเดียวก็พอแล้วตัว N อ่ะใครเขาไม่เขาก็คิดว่าเป็น
How do you spell 15?
กันเลย
Anyone? What is the first letter?
F T
How do you spell? What is the first letter?
FIAFT
F I
เป็นเล็ก
F
ขีดเดียวไหมลูก
T
ดับเบิลอี
F I
Okay, that's F
ใกล้ๆสิ
I F
ใกล้
T E E
ก็
N
ๆตรง
15.
กลางตรงก็ได้ F I F T เป็น E X
ได้ที่น่าใกล้
Okay,
ไอ
next.
นี่มันตัวที
Letter D, letter D. How do you spell 19 or how do you write the
มันย
number
าว
19?
ๆนี่หนูบ้า
ไม่จำได้
เคย
19
จิ้มตัวดี
ใส่อีกเหมือนตัว S เลย
คุณโยมพอถึงที่สามแล้ว
ใหญ่
บอกคุณพิมโยว่าบอกคุณพิมโยว่า
All right, so how do you spell or how do you write 19?
เขาบอกว่า
ทีจะเป็น E N
Okay, so that's N I N E T double E N. Finish?
มีตกแต่เองได้ไหม
Are you done? Are you finished?
โอ้ยมันมาอะไรให้อยากตื่นมาบอกกันมา
Let's
Right.
finish. Show me your hand. Okay, up both. Very good. Okay, crab and Oi, very good. Mickey, very good. All right, so class, that's all for today, okay? So next week, we will continue our lesson from number 0 to 20. I will give you a homework. I will send your homework in our line group, okay? So using your workbook, answer it on page number 4, 5, and 6 and 7. I will send your homework in our line group. All right. So that's all for today, class. Thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.